Namaste to all dear warriors and students. Here I am with a new video relating to Income Tax Act, and it is relating to current assessment year 2021. A major change in because of Finance Act 2020. Alternate tax regime, new tax regime, okay, are mm, popularly known as 115 BAC, section 115 BAC. Because of this, there is a lot of change in the income tax. Okay, previously slab rates were different. If you are going for new tax regime, these are the tax rates, lower tax rates we will call it as. So without wasting further more time, I'll just explain these things. It is an option to an individual. It is not compulsory everyone should go for alternate minimum tax. It is just an option available to assessee. Alternate tax regime or new tax regime we will call. Finance Act 2020 has provided an option to individual and HUF for payment of taxes at the following reduced rates from the assessment year 21-22 onwards. Okay, so total income up to total income 2,50,000, tax rate is nil. This we generally call it as basic exemption limit. Okay, please remember one thing here, whether assessee is senior citizen, non-senior citizen or super senior citizen. For everyone, basic exemption limit is 2,50,000 only, irrespective of their age. And from 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, it is 5%. And next 5 lakhs to 7,50,000, it is 10%. Generally, in old scheme, here it was 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, but here in this new scheme they are increasing each slab by 2,50,000 and tax rate by 5%. Okay, see here, up to 2,50,000 no tax. From 2,50,000 1 rupee to 5 lakhs 5% tax. 5 lakh to 7,50,000 10% of tax. 7 lakh to 10 lakhs 15% of tax, and 10 lakhs to 12 lakh 50,000 20% of tax is there, and 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs it is 25%, 25%, and above 10 lakhs it is 30% directly. Above 15 lakhs it is 30%. Repeat, whether individual or HUF, he has an option only. If he want, he can go for this option, otherwise he will not. And these are slab rates. Okay, this is for normal income, not for special income. Another point, from tax point of view, you need to remember this one. Not every income comes here, only normal income is taxable under section 115 BAC. This is the new thing. Okay, next 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, up to 2,50,000, whether is non-senior citizen or senior citizen or super senior citizen. For all of them, basic exemption limit is 2,50,000 only in this scheme. Next, 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs 5%, 5 lakhs to 7 lakh 50,000 10%, and 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs 15%. See, from here to here 2 lakh 50,000 increased, here to here 2 lakh 50,000 increased, here to here 2 lakh 50,000. So 20% from 10 lakhs to 12 lakh 50,000, from 12 lakh 50,000 to 15 lakhs it is 25%, and above 15 lakhs it is 30% of amount of tax you are need to pay. Clear? Hope so. And tax is increasing 5% if you observe, right? This is about new tax scheme. And from tax point of view, from the tax calculation point of view, if he opts for, if a person opts for this regime, new tax regime, 2 lakh 50,000 shall be basic exemption limit irrespective of age. In other words, for all category of individuals, senior citizen, super senior citizen, and others, non-senior citizen, exemption limit is, basic exemption limit is 2 lakh 50,000. I already said. Rebate under section 87 is available, but rebate under section 87 is available means if is total income should be less than 5 lakh rupees, then only rebate will be allowed, otherwise rebate is not allowed. Okay, next, कंप्यूटर टैक्स ये जो नॉर्मल इनकम पे ऊपर टैक्स है ये, ओके, further increased by applicable surcharge if any. Health and education says surcharge if your total income exceeds 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, अलग अलग रेट है ना, वो वाले पूरे आ जाएंगे. अप टू 50 lakhs नो सरचार्ज, 50 lakhs to 1 crore 10%, 1 crore to 2 crores 15%, 2 crores above but below 5 crores 25% of surcharge, and above 5 crores 37% of surcharge is there. Okay, next, if this is the income on above income, if any surcharge is that can be added. And health and education says HEC आप बोलते हैं, HEC 4% is also okay, HEC 4% is also applicable, okay, wherever applies. And lastly, if any income taxable at special rates under section 110 to 115 BBG except 115 BAC, जो ये है इसके अलावा जो भी स्पेशल इनकम है उनके ऊपर टैक्स रेट स्पेशल रेट से होता है. आई थिंक यू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज थिंग्स. लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन है, याद है? याद नहीं है तो एक बार याद दिला देता हूँ. लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन अंडर सेक्शन 112 okay is taxable at 20%, and long term capital gain under section 112A STT paid above 1 lakh taxable at 10%. Short term capital gain on transfer of securities in recognized stock exchange and STT paid 1111A वाला, इसके ऊपर टैक्स रहेगा 15%. ओके, STT पेड होना है इसके ऊपर. देन कैजुअल इनकम्स 115 BB वाले 30% टैक्स रेट रहेगा. ये सब याद रखना है, स्पेशल रेट्स हैं. और एक है ब्लैक मनी वाले, उसके ऊपर 60% टैक्स रेट रहेगा, 25% एडिशनली सरचार्ज रहेगा, और इफ़ एनी 4% का HEC रहेगा। वो सब अलग टैक्स रेट्स वो अलग हो जाएंगे। इसका कंडीशंस थोड़े हैं। अगर 115 BAC में आए तो इफ़ यू अवेल 115 BAC, थोड़े एग्जम्पशंस डिडक्शंस सब छोड़ के आना है। वो सब मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में बता देता हूँ। अभी के लिए इतना याद रखो बस है। तो अपना स्लोगन तो पता है ना, शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, ओके। This will be useful for them. I'm making a small video, 10 minutes video, so that you can spend 10 minutes time, and if anything comes from here you can write it in the exam. ये नया चेंज है, अपडेटेड वाला है, तो आने के चांसेस रहते हैं ज़्यादा। एंड ये 115 BAC में आए तो कहाँ पे कौन से हेड में क्या क्या डिडक्शंस एग्जाम्पशंस अवेलेबल नहीं होते, वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। अभी के लिए इतना ही। सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन। जय हिंद।